Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining groups on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve joining groups on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to to WhatsApp. Here in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You can search about WhatsApp. If you will find your update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.